This week we are learning the difference between verbo ser and verbo estar. Remember that while in other languages they have only one verb, verbo to be, verb to be. In Spanish we have two, verbo ser and verbo estar. And it will be very important to understand how to use them to speak correctly, because many times it can change the meaning of using one or the other verb. Having said that, I introduce myself. Hello guys, I am Teacher Miguel, the Spanish Super Tutor, and I am very proud to tell you that we are creating one of the best Spanish online academy, SpanishSuperTutor.com. And you know what? All our students say so. So let's start the video. Today we are going to see 13 uses of verbo ser. Are you ready? Vamos a por ello. Number 1, physical appearance or personality traits. Por ejemplo, Javier es moreno y tiene los ojos verdes. Javier has dark hair and green eyes. Do you want to know why in Spanish we say es moreno and we don't mention the hair? Please, if you want me to do a video, write it in the comments. Use number 2, identity. Yo soy Miguel. Number 3, origin. I'm from Spain. Soy de España. Number 4, family or personal relationship. Estas son mis hermanas. These are my sisters. Number 5, possession. Estas son mis gafas. These are my eyeglasses. Number 6, when or where an event takes place. El concierto es el miércoles. The concert is on Wednesday. O el concierto es en Madrid. The concert is in Madrid. Number 7, date, seasons and time. Hoy es domingo, today is Sunday. Es verano, is summer. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 3 de la tarde. Number 8, moment of the day. En Hong Kong es por la mañana. In Hong Kong is morning time. Number 9, passive sentences. And I am not going to give you one example because we have a special video for that. Number 10, with the preposition para. Esta taza es para mi amiga Berta. Number 11, to ask about the price. How much is it? ¿Cuánto es? Number 12, material of an object. Esto es de papel. Number 13, profession. I am a teacher. Yo soy profesor. Thank you so much for being here in this my Spanish channel. I am Teacher Miguel, the Spanish Super Tutor. Remember that if you are looking for online Spanish lessons, you can find a lot on the internet, but if you really want to speak Spanish, Spanish Super Tutor. Yo tu lengua no la entiendo. Hables bien y lo hagas lento. Si no habla español, Guiri habla español. Te lo pido por favor. Ra, ra, ra. La H no se pronuncia. Tra, la, 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 la.